Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to level up Battle Pass fast in Valorant. Leveling up the Battle Pass in Valorant can be achieved through a combination of consistent play, completing challenges, and strategic use of XP boost. Each week, new challenges are added to the Battle Pass. Completing these challenges provides significant XP boosts. Make sure to focus on completing these challenges as they offer substantial amount of Battle Pass XP. Similar to weekly challenges, daily missions offer smaller XP rewards but can add up over time. Make sure to complete these missions every day to maximize your XP gain. Simply playing the game regularly will earn you XP as well. The more you play, the more XP you will accumulate. Try to play regularly, especially during the double XP events or weekends if they are available. Winning matches will grant you more XP compared to losing. Focus on winning games to maximize your XP gain. Playing with friends who also have the Battle Pass can grant you additional XP bonuses. Coordinate with your friends to play together and earn more XP as a team. Valorant occasionally hosts special events that offers additional XP rewards. Keep an eye out for these events and participate in them to earn extra experience points. In-game objectives such as planting, defusing the spike, getting kills, and assisting the teammates can earn you additional experience points as well. Focus on playing the objective and supporting your team to maximize your XP gain during matches. By following these tips and staying consistent in your gameplay, you should be able to level up your battle pass quickly in Valorant. Remember to prioritize completing challenges, playing regularly, and utilizing XP boost to maximizing your progress. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.